whole idea of this video is a survey dashboard, primarily for surveyors and survey companies, admin, and basically the company data analysis and visualization. So they can keep track of how the company is progressing, the terms of the booking number allotted to them, the visual representation of the job done so far, the status of the job, and the web query for the database, and get the result ASAP. Here is a mail window. Here you have the company logo. Okay, on this side you have a quarterly booking update and the query could either be based on year, quarter, then you have here the use booking numbers, then the total job. Okay, but irrespective of whether it's provisional or non provisional, you can have it display here to know the total number of bookings you've used so far, and you can see the years so far is just 5 years based on the record input and the total number of job that as indicated. Okay, so on this side there's a status which is actually into 5 categories. It shows official, provisional, read evidence, registered, and submitted. And this status is more like tracking the progress. You got the job. Okay, could the job just be official? It's your choice. Should that be official or not? Is it provisional? At the provisional stage, it can be selected. Oh, it's a provisional job. You update it there on your database in Excel file. I'm going to be showing you that in a short while. Then is it read evidence? Have you gotten the record copy evidence? If yes, updated on the system, you can see it live display. Oh yeah, that updated the record. You can query it as well. The register, is it registered job? Is it at the registration stage, or have you gotten booking number? It's been registered, but you are here to load the record or submit the record. At the time you load the record is selected there. Okay, so and any query you make, it automatically updates itself on this other side, and the other side, like you have your jobs by LGA to know the number of jobs you have, and just by year you can see it how it varies. It's in the years, like the 5 years so far, right? Then you have a first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter. Okay, as you update the data, the record keep updating. Okay, and on this side now, this is Google Map display of the whole thing. All you need, this representation is just the coordinate, the main coordinate on the survey plan. So it's not showing the perimeter so far, but it's something that is in the pipeline. So we're working towards that as well. So and you can see based on the status that you have on this side, you can see the officials. You can see those plots that are official. Oh, on this side, provisional. You can see them, the color, with the legend. The green shows the red evidence. Okay. On this side, you can see you have the record as being represented in the database. Okay, so now that you've seen how the data is being presented, let's just take a look and fill them. Okay, now in 2024 we want to see what we have got. Okay, when you click on 2024, it updates, everything updates, and you can see it shows 26 and 6 jobs, and live on the map you can see where those jobs are presented. All right, and here on this side too you can see the LGA for those 6 jobs that you see there. You say now you have 4, 1, Ikorodu 1. Okay, and you can see everything happened in the first quarter. Okay, let's say we are looking at 2023 now. Again, just click on 2023. You can see all the 4 quarters being represented. Okay, and now you see what you have in each of these quarters. You can see that on this side now you have the 4th quarter having the highest number of record. All right, and these are the LGA which appear as the highest number of LGA and IPG, followed by IPG. Okay, now if eventually I want to see the total number of booking or jobs that took place in 2023 first quarter, and then you just select multiple query and you get a result as well. Okay, so now I see on the first quarter, okay, 2023, I see that I use 42 booking number, right, and for 11 jobs, and now I can see where those jobs are on the surface. I can see that it has about 9 of those jobs, yes, which are here. And you can see on the live map, they actually overlapping, especially now in this area. You can see that most of the jobs are on this side. So, and again, if you select anything here, it's going to update automatically as well. You can see 8 jobs took place in this particular location, okay, as you can see. So 8 jobs, and you can see how the everything updates, even the graphs and all that, everything update itself. And you can see on this side too, it's showing that, oh, they are registered. Okay, so if they happens to have submitted or evidence received, it will appear as well. Okay, that's that. And again, on this side, you can see that it shows all the total jobs that have been selected now, which is 8. Okay, and you can see all of them are in first quarter. And also, you can also have a multiple selection. You can just hold down this control button, you select another quarter to update the display. Then you can see what you have here. You see that it remains the same. So that's to tell you that based on the selection here, that's why you still have 8 being displayed. But you can see the update here. There's an update here. There's an update here. Okay, what do? You just click out of the selection you made before, because you remember we have to click on the rectangle select to highlight on those. So you just click out of that. You can see now the total beginning number used was 80. Okay, and just for 21 jobs. So and you can see what the scale of those 2 jobs, and you can see the LGA that has most of those jobs. Okay, and then now that we have this, we can select, is this record submitted? If you have it, it shows. Okay, you can see nothing, so everything just go blank. Okay, so at this stage everything is registered. Once I click register now, you can see that everything will update just like it was before. Okay, we have here the advanced search. Okay, the advanced search is that you can search for anything as regard your client database. So you can search for maybe by client name, by plan number, by date, by quarter. You can search for anything, and you're going to get your results as being represented in your database. Okay, so for this case, let's just search for Olami. All right, see now it brought up to us things that has to do with Olami. You can see Agbaje, Olamide. So we stop at Olami, even if you don't have the full details of what you're searching for. Okay, and once you select this now, you're going to see all that things being updated. Then you know more about the job in question. Okay, this job now took place here when that is 2021 and first quarter. Okay, and this is the number of picking that was used. Okay, and this is the location. And again, as you over on the location, you can see some other details. It's telling you the status is submitted, red submitted, the latitude and the longitude of it, and the location. You see them as it is on here. So, and for further things, you can move on this side of the table. Then you can see if you have any notes being represented. In this case there's no note, but everything that has to do with the job or when it was done, the plan number, the status, you see. And if you like, you can submit this, select the 2 at the same time, or you select 1 at a time. Okay, we want to see the 2 to access the 2, so that we'll know the one that we are interested in. The updating is going to update itself. Then we'll see where this second one belongs. Okay, one is in Badagry, the other one is in Epe. Okay, and one was in 2021 first quarter, and the other one is 2023 fourth quarter. Okay, you can see the one that is in Badagry. All right, see the status is registered, and you see the location, and you can see the one that is in Epe. Okay, you can see where it is. So that's just it. So that is that for the dashboard. All right, now let's look at the data. You can see here now we have it. It's just data showing the ID, date, status, plan number, name, street name, location, IGA, state, job type, right, area, plot, corners requested there. So now, like this plot corner, now just talking about the total corner piece, like the job required, and the total corner that I was applied for. Okay, that is the total pillar that was applied for to accommodate those corner. And on this note, you can actually add the few details about the job. Then you have the X and Y coordinate UTM. Okay, there's another post-processing part that was taking place in the dashboard area to actually convert this UTM coordinate to geodetic coordinate before we can be displayed on the Google Map. As we know, Google Map only takes geodetic coordinate data input. Okay, and update, like the time that each of these row, like all the jobs being inputted, the update takes place. So it also show the date. It's also displays on the dashboard. Okay, but on this side it's just the date that the job was being recorded. All right, and the plan number. Now this is the status. This is where where we have the provisional official register submitted and all that. This is a drop down input that was also apply just for the XL file input. Okay, and on this side too we have something similar as well, just for the FGA, just to make input consistent and accurate. So that's why drop down is being introduced, and that is that.